First, I want to congratulate all third-year students for conducting and leading this successful Python webinar series. And I also want to thank all the resource speakers for sharing their knowledge by demonstrating a clear and direct discussion. As an incoming third-year student, I heard from my seniors that we will be using Python. Despite hearing discussions from my sister and colleagues about how it works, I was still not very familiar with it. That is why when I discovered that they will be conducting a webinar about Python, I decided to participate and I grabbed the opportunity to learn from them. During the discussion, it was not easy for me to understand what they were talking about. However, with the help of the demonstration, I somehow understood them and was even able to follow their ways on how to code. After undergoing the 3-day webinar, I realized that Python programming language is only hard at first glance because if you try to look at it and take time to understand, we'll be able to learn from small progress to a bigger. Of course, what made it much easier is the hands-on teaching of the resource speakers. With the knowledge I gained from these 3 days, I am confident to say that it was worth studying and listening to. Also, this experience encouraged me to learn more through free and available online courses. I also hope that this encourages other professionals to conduct a free online course, so that the student will be able to access knowledge with a click of their mouse. So that's all. Thank you.
Hello, ako nga pala si Pocholo Lopez. Ang masasabi ko sa webinar na ito ay interesting, lalo na kasi ang Python ay nagiging popular na nowadays, and sa tingin ko ay marami akong nalaman, especially dito, and lalo na yung may UI, and pwede mo siyang magamit ng may graph. Kailangan mo lang mag-import, napaka-interesting niya. Pati yung pwede siyang gamitin pang analysis sa data, and yeah, overall nakaka-interesting itong webinar na to, lalo na kasi Python. Yeah, yun lang. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Heidi Docos from BSCS, and I just want to thank on this event for conducting 3-day Python webinar series that helps me to understand more and discover about the Python. I learned about the different fundamentals and the different use, and especially the purpose about this kind of programming language that can also help and use for web development, for also making games and many more. And I also learned about the use of the MongoDB, the MySQL, about the PANDAS, and many more. Thank you so much.
Hello po, ako po si Reg Vilagwata ng BSIT at isa po ako sa mga nag-participate sa event ng BSCS Python seminar, yung 3-day seminar. And as a testimony, gusto ko lang sabihin na good job for everyone. Lahat sila nag-exert ng effort and lahat sila nag-pay off yung effort kasi na-appreciate namin yung ginawa nila para sa amin, para sa bigyan kami ng knowledge about sa Python. And sa generosity nila na mag-share ng knowledge nila sa amin, lalong-lalo na sa mga lumahok na mga first year, which is yung mga baguhan na wala pa talagang knowledge. Maraming salamat kasi binigyan nyo kami ng opportunity para matuto palalo. Kahit na sabihin na natin kami as third year may mga alam na kami, may background na kami sa Python, pero binigyan nyo pa kami ng additional knowledge. So maraming salamat and congrats BSCS.